What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I got an unboxing of a new USB microphone. Now you folks know I did a unboxing, first impressions of my new USB microphone, my Neat Beecaster mic, like a month or so ago to replace my Bumblebee mic. And what a lot of people don't know, that I do testing on a lot of USB microphones, and I can tell you for a fact my Neat Beecaster mic is working out great so far. It's fantastic. I've had, I think this is my my sixth microphone that I got. Now I got this microphone mainly, it's gonna be a shared microphone for my wife. She's gonna use it for her work when she does her Zoom classes, because hence she's a teacher, her Zoom or Google Meet classes, whatever. And I'm gonna use it when I stream. Now I'm still working on setting up my streaming. So far my internet connection has been problematic, but yeah, I've tested quite a few microphones, and here are a couple of my other microphones, budget microphones that I've tested out. I forgot the name of this one, but this one's alright. I mean, if you're on a budget, this is like what, $30. I'll put the name right here because I forgot it. I barely use it, and the sound's okay for what you pay for. And of course, I had my blue microphone, which this one doesn't work anymore, because this one I had for like 2015, 2014. I dropped it once. Yeah, I'm surprised it didn't crack, but something happened and it doesn't work anymore. Oops, that's my fault. I also had a Samsung Meteor mic, which is a fantastic mic, which I gave to one of my friends to use because they wanted to go ahead and do YouTube and stuff. And microphones are scarce nowadays. And we found this. We got this from Amazon, and me and my wife are gonna use it. And of course, you see it in the title. I've never had like a type of Yeti type of microphone. Everyone seems to love them. It's like the gold standard for for microphones. But as you can see, it's in the box. I'm unboxing it. Here it is. It's the Blue Yeti Nano microphone. There we go. Yeah, there you go. Yeti Nano. And I'm gonna mainly use this for streaming when I'm playing. Yeah, I'm gonna use it for streaming. Not so much USB, like YouTube video recording, whatnot. That's for my Neat Beecaster mic here. But let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and let's see what it comes with. Okay, this is probably gonna run you around just under $100, anywhere between $80 to $100. Okay, it might go cheaper when it's on sale, especially Black Friday time and whatnot. But I know USB mics are kind of hard to get right now. But let me go ahead and unbox this, shall we? Because I know a lot of people are resorting to doing especially with the online classes and whatnot for kids. Like some kids are going back to school, some are doing the online learning. It depends where you live. I know in my area we're doing online learning, so my daughter could potentially use this microphone as well. So if I can get this thing open, I don't want to mess up the box too much, and I just messed up the box. I messed the box up. Oh, I'm sorry, box. Oh well. I already got it. There we go. I got it open. Okay, let's see what it comes. Man, I hope I don't drop this. Oh my gosh, if I drop it, man, I'm gonna be an idiot. Let's go ahead. Something fell out. Okay, it basically comes surrounded in this box right here. Okay, now let me see how you open this thing. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's open sideways, and there's a piece of tape. Okay, now let's go ahead and unbox it. So first off, you got your paperwork right here. You got your Yeti Nano paperwork and whatnot. And make sure you go ahead and register this product as soon as you get it. Don't be like me, put things on the side and wait to register things, because sometimes I forget. Give you a little card here. Blue Sherpa, get the most of your Yeti Nano. with the Blue Sherpa companion app. Latest firmware updates download directly to your Yeti Nano mic settings from gain and polar patterns. So there's that. So there's software. I didn't know Blue Yeti had software. Most of my mics that I use are just plug and play for the most part. And you got your connection here. It's a USB, micro USB to USB connection. So that's different. That is different. Usually the connection for microphones like this are these type of what do you call that? Where is it? Oh, actually this one, this Cyberacoustics, this one was a micro USB connection as well. But usually, like if you got a standard USB mic, you're gonna have this connection in this back, this proprietary thing right here. Not proprietary, almost all USB mics have that thing there. I forgot the name of it. I forgot the connection for it. Let's see. Here it is, the Blue Nano, Blue Yeti Nano. If I can get it out. Ooh, this thing's got some weight to it. Almost feels like a Samson Meteor mic. That's what it feels like. The Samson Meteor mic, if folks don't know what that is, that thing feels premium when you open it. There it is, and you can flip it. It was like this, but you can flip it that way. So you got the volume control here. That's pretty much it, and you can choose your patterns. I guess you choose your patterns. What kind of patterns do they give you? I'm pretty sure it's dynamic and carotid or whatever. Cardioid or whatever. I don't know. Tomato. Okay. And you do not have. Oh, you do have a microphone jack here, and that's where the micro USB cable goes right there, and the microphone jack is underneath. So that's good. And it comes with a little stand here, and it's a solid stand as long as you're not. Yeah, it is a solid stand. Now if you hit something, no, it's pretty solid. So for about just under $100 you get this beautiful looking mic here. I see what else this comes with. Drop my. That was it. That was nothing else in the box there. Oh wait, hold on. I see something. Ah, this is an adapter where if you want to mount this, you want to take this off and you want to mount it on something else. Yeah, that's for that. And what is this? Oh, that's silica gel. Yeah, that's nothing. Let me know what you folks think. You folks have a Yeti Nano? Now, I'm probably going to be doing a comparison video to my Neat Beecaster mic here because I'm curious to see. Now, what I've heard from folks that this one is almost on par or is just on par of the Blue Yeti microphone or close to it. And both of these microphones costed about the same. I think I picked this up around, it came out around $90. This Neat Beecaster mic, I know when it first came out is a bit more expensive. It was quite over $100. It's more like closer to $150, but I actually bought it for $90. So brand new. So I mean, I'm gonna compare the two, and I'll probably do a review and do a dual review and say which one I think is better, and compare it to my older mics as well. But yeah, let me know what you folks think in the comments down below. If folks have a Blue Yeti Nano mic, if folks have any type of Neat microphone, let me know in the comments down below. It's Guddang 775. I hope you folks like this video. If you go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. This is Guddang 775, just a Maui boy in Texas, aka Sully, the King of Decay. Peace out.